Hey everyone, and welcome back. Chris here from the Mind Bloom Exchange, and we're looking at Palantir, Palantir Technologies. I know there's a lot of optimism around Palantir overall, but still at the same time, with anything that is bullish, you need a correction for it to continue moving forward. And we're just going to quickly, while my market is slowing down and stuff. So it hit a price target here that I had for Palantir, and then from there we're sort of looking like we are possibly going into a correction. How deep of a correction? Well, if you look at this here, and we just look at it, right? We take the base, which is this correction level here, and then we go to this top here. Give me a 2 secs. Delete. Just an alert that I had for quantum. It's actually going the direction that I thought, dropping down again. So like I said, this is sort of the area that is matched with our pitchfork. So our pitchfork line is going through right here accordingly at the 66 marker. Plus we have a 23.6, which is another fib level, another pretty fib level if you want to say. And then on top of that, I made a couple projections down, and it sort of gave me this level here. So based on just even if I did a weekly analysis on this, I would, with my best thesis, I guess, my thesis would be is that we'd be running to this level here. $64, give or take. I wouldn't be surprised if we go a touch higher. So into that level there. So on a very simple format at this moment in time, based on what I'm seeing, I see the market dropping to either the 66 or $64 marker. If something changes, then we can change it accordingly. But I want to sort of get into a touch deeper with you. Just a touch, why not? And sort of look at, well, people are asking, well, why is it going down? Well, if you look at this, it's been going up. It's been riding up quite heavily since December 22. So it's just constantly going up and up and up, and not really much of a correction has happened other than in February or January 21. So January 21, we hit $44, and then we dropped down to $5. So that could be another massive level of a correction for you. So $40 correction could be in play. If that $40 correction is accurate, which I don't think it would be, but let's just say we want to run with it. And we clone this here, and we drive it over to here. Technically, we would be seeing levels of Palantir hitting levels of $45. Now, do I think that Palantir will go to 45? I don't know. Based on, I need to sort of see how Palantir works with, if I'm butchering the name, I'm sorry, works with this level here. If we can hold, if this level holds, I could see, like I said, there's two ways that this market will run. Either we push off to here, make this green, or we break, or we continue to break to our levels of the 45 marker. So I don't know which one it is. I do believe, I'll just say that I do believe, based on what I'm seeing, that if for whatever reason we break further south, then that is what will happen. At the same time, let's go into it deeper and just say, let's look at the other side of the coin. And let's say if we're going for a bull run here, which, you know, is very realistic as well. It's a great company, I believe. I looked at some of the financials and I was pretty happy with it. The only kicker that I have is that this was a level of resistance right here, right? That was another level of resistance. At the same time, we broke that resistance, which made it support and now pushed up the market. However, now we broke this level of support and now we're going down. So it's in a tricky spot here where there is a bit of influx of support and resistance, the battle of the bears, battle of whatever you want to call it, battle of the bears, bulls, whatever. So like me personally, this level here is like a zone where it makes it tricky on where this market's going. At the same time is, for myself, being that, you know, the market will always go to the median line. This market hasn't really corrected, not much. My thesis is still bearish. At the same time is, if we can go above here, I'll show you. So if the market here goes to there and we break this top here, then I could see us pushing to this top here. Here, let me clone this quickly. So this is another idea that I have, is that if we break $79 marker, then I could see us going to the 81, 81.98, so 82. If we break there, then yes, I do see a long position where Palantir can continue moving up. Where can we move up to? Well, I believe I set a marker at $93. So if we start breaking up, I could see a $93, $94 marker. That's very realistic. At the same time, currently, being that we're under that level of support and we broke that level of support, we are still bearish. So if we can make that run up and somehow jockey up position to the $79 marker, then that could change the tide for the bearish to now bullish run. And it could be a short bullish run as we speak. So there's a little bit of info for you. Hopefully you enjoy. If you're struggling with, you know, trading wellness and you're just struggling to be a sustainable trader, let me know. I'm always here to help as best as I possibly can. Send me a DM if you found that this is valuable. Boost, likes, comment, subscribe. Do all the above. I always want to get your feedback and make sure I can do the best charts possible for everyone, to make sure that everyone gets the most amount of value as required to make yourself a more sustainable and happier trader. All right, till the next one, hopefully you have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.